Trading. Asthma. Okay. Stop popping, you little stinker. Stop popping. Okay, we're gonna start it now. Everybody get settled. Trading. Tie-dye poppet. Going once, going twice. No one wants to do it. Going 3 times. I want to offer, I want to offer, I want to offer, I want to offer. Okay. Jeez, what's your offer? This no, not that. This golden thingy. Guys, leave a comment if you know what this is. It's a fidget, and I don't know what it is. So, if you're a fidget lover, can you, tell me what this is, please? Please? I have no idea what it is. Okay. Trading this weird gold thing. And just put it like that so you guys can see the trade. This weird gold thing. Okay. Oh, that's from my camping thing that we did today. Sorry, guys. I was talking to my dad. Please, Dad. I'll trade this simple dimple. You have any more? Oh my gosh, yes, I do. This other simple dimple. That's a poppet. No.
It's 5 times 6.
5 times 6? 30.
6 times 5.
30.
Whoa, why do you know all that so fast?
From Reflex. Sorry. Dad, I'm trying to do a fidget trading video. Trade that. By the way, it's not a simple dimple. So, fine. Jeez, don't call it a simple dimple. It's not. I just heard that. Okay, fine. I'll trade a wacky track. Put that together. Trade this wacky track. Can you put that other piece away? Yes, you do. So I'm just gonna put it back together. This is some wacky track. Wacky track. Can you stop playing around and just trade? Yeah, sure. Okay, I'll just trade this piece. Not piece, but this emoji. Yes, yellow cat emoji. Okay, you're very slow at this. I'm declining. No! I really wanted that. It's my dream. I'm gonna scam her since she was being really rude. I heard that, but I'm not gonna tell her that because then she'll just say, "Oh, I'm not gonna scam you." So that's why I'm not gonna tell her that. That's why I said in my head, "Okay, let's go scam her." Or what fidget do I not like? I don't really like this one because it's really gross and broken, so I'll just trade this. That girl is so under. She didn't even accept the trade. I don't like her. Whatever she says, she's a weirdo. She was really under, and I think she's a little kid. Okay. Trading squish ball, going once, going twice. Going 3 times, super legendary, everybody wants it. I'm the popular girl, so Oh my gosh, Mia, it's my dream! Okay, chill. Jeez, fine. What's your offer? Oh my gosh, this wacky track, the simple dimple, whatever this is, guys. By the way, remember, please tell me in the comments what this is. and this puppet. Please accept. Can you add more? Because I really love this. Is that a hole? Oh, never, definitely not. Definitely not trying to scam you. I think you're trying to scam me. Well, I'm not. This other piece, of the wacky track, and, this marble mesh, pink marble mesh, and, this, pea popper. Please accept, please. Okay, that's actually pretty good. Here. Yes, I scammed her. She's really gonna fall for it. A weird little girl just falling for other scammers. Scammers are awesome. Like they don't act suspicious. Except for when I was playing Roblox, I got scammed for a mega neon parrot. So if you're a subscriber and you scam me for that mega neon parrot, get out of this video and unsubscribe, because I really wanted that and adopt me, but I deleted Roblox because everybody kept on scamming. So yeah, part 2 for Fidget trading. If this gets to 20,000 likes, I'll do some more scamming videos. If this gets to 30,000 likes, I will do a regular one. So you guys choose. Bye-bye. I hate this. This is a bad day. I got scammed. Be quiet. Don't tell anybody.